Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more dress to impress, I guess, like tickets, cash. I don't know what these are called, the like pink and gold things that we see everywhere. I kind of want to put like some stockings or something to be cute. Okay, cute. So to earn more, you can either go to free play and farm as much as you can, just walk around like I'm doing right now, or you can actually play the game and you'll get more, and you'll get like these tickets, and you'll get more when they vote you a lot, so do that as well. And there's also some obbies in the Dress to Impress lobby, like on the right. I can't show you because I know it's going to take me a long time to find a lobby. Ooh, a golden ticket. You'll get more if you find the gold ticket rather than just the pink ones. But that's pretty much how you can earn more of these. You can top up, but I think it's more worth it if you just get the VIP and just like play this game, like just I guess walk around it and get more tickets. But that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.